Yeah, I'm still good to come up.
He turns off the ice. The rookie's taken his first step on his journey from highway hauler to ice road trucker.
Oh, see, it's been out. Now we're heading her back to the yard so we can unload this double sock for 400. A little bit rough. She's still on there. We're good. There. Made her. Both pieces still on the trailer. Unbelievable. Another day. Done. With no accidents. How's your day going, Pops?
Oh, not bad.
Not bad?
And Devin here, greenhorn of the Delta.
What's the problem today? A fight?
Not yet.
One chip today, I thought I was making two today.
I gotta take the dog to go.
Wow. We put her into a little bit of a jackknife. Who would have thought it was icy driving on a river?
I'll kill you.
Another truck backs up to Devon's. It winches one tank off, while Devon winches the second.
So I'm going to bring the truck back to the shop and do a little bit of light work. By that time, it should be quick time.
Later, as the Arctic sun sets,
I stopped. I had a canary. It's great name, boys.
Hugh pulls in with his 59th load of the season, tying him with Eric. Bear trails them with 52 loads, while